Hey guys, Shane Storms with DroidModderX.com. By now you've heard that Android has released the newest version, 4.4.3, to all the Nexus devices, but there is no word of when HTC will be releasing 4.4.3 on their devices like the HTC One M8. This is a brand new device, but still no word on when we can see or expect to see 4.4.3. Good news, we have a development community that is able to bring us these types of ROMs. If you're on a carrier version HTC One M8 like the Verizon HTC One M8, chances are there is a Google Play Edition ROM. I'm going to show you guys how to install the Google Play Edition ROM on the Verizon HTC One M8. The process will be the same for all other variants, but you'll need to find your variant's specific files for your device. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If you head to the link in the description to bring you to the XDA page here, and you can download the ROM from that Google Drive link there. Also, should be noted that in this specific ROM for the Verizon variant, for some reason, the ROM thinks that you are roaming when you were absolutely not roaming, so you're not going to be charged anything for roaming, but for some reason the ROM just puts that roaming indicator up there. The developer is currently working on that, so there should be a fix for that very soon. So the next thing you want to do is head into Settings, and you'll go to Power and uncheck Fast Boot. You'll then restart the device and hold volume down to boot into Fast Boot. Okay, so once you're in Fast Boot, you will scroll down to Recovery and hit the power button to boot into Recovery. You do need the bootloader unlocked, you need to be S off, and you need to have a custom recovery like TeamWin Recovery Project or Clockwork Mod Recovery in order to flash this ROM. The very first thing you want to do is make sure to make an Android backup. This is going to back up everything on your file, so any important text messages, any important emails, any important application data that you have saved on your device, you'll always be able to get it back with this Android backup. For some reason, GPE is not your thing. You can always revert back to whatever working ROM you were running before. So we'll go ahead and swipe to back up. This takes several minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll go ahead and pause the video here, and I'll come back as soon as this is finished. Okay guys, so when it's finished, you'll see the successful screen. From there, you'll go back. Okay, you'll go back again. You'll wipe. And here we're going to wipe data, cache, and Dalvik all at the same time. If you're in Clockwork Mod Recovery, be sure to wipe all three of those. Okay, when that's finished, we'll go back and we will install the GPE Rom. So this includes all your G apps. You won't have to flash those separately. Okay, so we'll go ahead and flash the ROM to make sure you're flashing the correct thing there. And give this about 5 minutes to install. Okay, so when that's finished, we will go to Reboot System, and you should be presented with the Nexus boot animation. Okay guys, that about wraps it up for the Google Play Experience ROM install on the HTC One M8. This works on all variants, but you'll need to make sure that you do have the correct file for your device. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. You can find more of me at DroidModderX.com. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Real quick before we go, I just wanted to show you guys the GPE installed on the M8. So we'll go to Settings and About Phone. And then the build number you guys can see there is 4.4.3. There is the Easter egg.